Alright, here's an idea. Originally I've had this box on here from BT where the wire, you can just about see, comes across, joins in the middle. Now the problem with that is I'm putting a shutter up there where I've got to fill the gap up with the shutter to make the shutter fit. So like this. And the problem with the box is it sticks out too much for the shutter, as you can see just about. So I bought one of these to see if I can convert it. If I undo this now, I could have quite easily used it. That's about £2.50. There you go, from B&Q. But over time I've noticed things like this can mold and stuff go because of the edge of the window causes a problem. So I stuck to what it was already. They had a special connection inside, so all I did was to get a trunk, cable trunk, as you can see on there, cable trunk. As you can see, I literally stuck the wires in, put the silicons in, and quite just to close that onto it, and that's job done. Wire inside it and fill the gaps up on either side with either silicon, something soft, so you can easily take it out again, and that's it. So this is my quick fix workaround to fix my shutter on where the piece of wood now can go on there just right. So there you go. Here's a quick advice on how to do this. Now you can see why I had to make this small so it fits in between the shutters.